everyone, it's Gabby here and welcome back again to my channel. So what are we gonna do today? I am going to make serraduras. Serradura. Serradura is a Portuguese dessert. And I was once challenged from my colleague, which is Portuguese herself, absolutely. And she was challenged me before to make this, and she tried it eventually, and she liked it. Dessert is a dessert in a glass, so that's why I have a glass here. Okay, the basic ingredients of this serradura, this dessert, is only three. So 3 ingredients means you need the biscuits, the condensed milk, and the heavy cream, which is cold. So it is cold. And since it is integrated already, we are in the Netherlands, I want to put some fruit in there. I like it. I like the taste more. But if you prefer, with due respect to the Portuguese people, I know the ingredients is only 3, but it's self-preference. So I have to repeat myself. It's self-preference that I put fruits in my dessert. So I like it more. I like it better. So it's up to you guys. What are you gonna like it? How are you gonna like it? Or you just wanted the original version, or you want some fruits in it? Since it is there's a loads of fruits these days because it's summer, so summer is coming and you have loads of fruits in a supermarket if you've seen, or in your backyard, or in your garden. So it's up to you. Again, it's up to you. So let's go, and this is very fast, quick and easy dessert, and you can make it in no time. Yeah. So let's carry on. Come on, join me. Okay, first you need to do is to crumb the biscuit. Yeah. So. Okay, and we use this. If you have food processor, please go ahead, but I like this way. Okay, so we still can see some big pieces in here, and that is perfect. Yeah, so we are going to pour it back. All right, perfect. Then it's back here. Okay. Yeah, so we are good, and now we are going to mix our heavy cream. Okay. So let's go with our heavy cream. Let's put here. Preferably heavy cream must cold. So that is done. And now we are going to put the condensed milk. So you have the control of everything. So if you want it sweet, very sweet, then it's up to you. You can put more condensed milk in there. Just give it a good stir. your cream is good to go. So we are going to assemble it. Assemble our dessert in a glass. Yeah. So biscuits. And let's fruit. There was strawberry here. Then we need to put another layer. Okay. Right. Gonna spread somewhere like this. Alright, so I'm gonna put some strawberry on top of it as garnish. Right. Alright, so here you go. That's your glass dessert. Dessert in a glass. So we are done with our dessert. So look at this. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful, and you make it in no time. Yeah, so we're gonna put it in the fridge 3 hours minimum or overnight. That would be nice, chilled, and really ready to serve. Ready to serve to your guests or your family, of course. So I hope you like it, and I hope you give it a try, and if you do, please let me know on the comment box on below. And if you want me to do something else or challenge me on something, please comment or send me a direct message. I have my social media on my banner, and I would love to see you again. So please, if you are not if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will see you again. This is Gabby here. And thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye. Hello everyone,